Hello everybody, welcome to another podcast. It's with me, Ben, and today we're going to be looking at the VFR circuit. Let's get straight into it. So I hear you saying, what is a VFR circuit, or what is a circuit? To put it simply, the circuit is a term used that simply means a loop around the aerodrome. The circuit can be used at different stages of flight. These are takeoff, departure, joining, landing, and also if you're just doing a standard training flight. This is what a circuit looks like, and if we look at the aerodrome, this is my local aerodrome and it's Coventry. It's located inside the white circle there. The red rectangular shape is the shape of the circuit. So how the circuit is flown, if we imagine the wind is coming from this direction, we'd be using runway 23, which is pointing to the bottom left hand side of the screen. There are different points around the circuit in which we fly. The first one will be immediately after departure, called the upwind leg, followed by the crosswind leg, followed by the downwind leg. Now, the next one is the base leg, and it's the second to final turn before we prepare for the landing. We usually look to fly it at a 45-degree angle, a beam to the threshold. Once this angle is achieved, we will begin our base leg turn. Seen there, and the next one, last but not least, is the final approach turn. In Coventry, we fly it so after departure we make a left-hand turn if using runway 23, and I'll get on to different types of circuit directions in a little bit. So after departure for 23 at Coventry, route towards a village. I believe it's called Bubbenhall, and it's just between the crosswind and the downwind leg. Outside the village, we then turn left onto the downwind leg, following it all the way down to the golf course. Then overhead the golf course, we turn left, and where the railway and the road where the railway goes underneath the road, we then make our turn onto a final approach of about 2 miles or so. So if you're departing the circuit, you can do it in 3 different ways, and these are the most popular ways to depart the circuit. The first one is departure straight after your takeoff, and it's just simply a right-hand turn. Next one is departing the circuit on the crosswind leg. This is a left-hand turn after departure, if it's the left-hand circuit, and departing it straight out this way. The other one to mention is the downwind departure. So you're taking off, you've flown your crosswind, you've flown the downwind, and you're not going to go onto a base. Instead, you're going straight out on the downwind leg. Just one more thing that I didn't include in the slideshow, it's a straight out departure. So if you're just going to take off and fly straight along the runway heading and out into the local area. If you're joining the circuit, it's pretty much the same but in the opposite order. So you can join the circuit on a straight in approach. You can also join the circuit on a base, or you can join the circuit on a downwind. It's good to note here that other types include an overhead join, but I'll probably leave this for Connor to do in another future video. So just a quick recap and any other facts. Terminology is the upwind, crosswind, downwind, base leg and final approach. QNH or QFE. The circuit can be flown on either of these air pressure settings. The aerodrome QNH will make the altimeter read the altitude above the sea level. When set to the QFE, it will read the height above the ground. The standard height to fly the circuit is 1,000 feet on the aerodrome QFE. Which direction should I fly the circuit? Well, if the circuit direction is not stated on the chart or any other source of authority, then assume that the circuit should be flown to the left. Just a very quick brief overview of circuits. If you think I've missed anything, do comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. You can add our Facebook here, Tailwind Productions, our Twitter here, Tailwind_flying, Instagram here, Tailwind.productions, and our YouTube, Tailwind Productions. If you like the video, please give us a like and possibly a subscribe. Personal Instagrams are on the right. My name's Ben. Connor and Cameron are also part of the team. Go and check them out. And thanks for watching.